Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Sunstar Global School. This is your teacher Abhishek Sharma and today I am going to teach you English Literature of class 5. Today we are going to revise chapter number 4, which is Greedy Govin. What is the meaning of greedy? When you want something more and more, whether it is money, food, things, toys or anything. So we shouldn't be greedy because greediness make you wanting things more and you will never be satisfied with those things. You always want more. How much you will get, you want more. You will never get satisfied. So let's start with the chapter. This is the story about a boy whose name is Govin and he was very greedy. So let's start. The four Gulati brothers, Tarun, Vicky, Anand and Govin were all sitting at the table. The boys were excited because Mummy was making her special dhoklas and khandi with chutney. Everyone in the family loved her dhoklas and khandis. Okay, so there were four Gulati brothers named Tarun, Vicky, Anand and Govin. Their mummy was making dhoklas and khandis for them. It was her speciality and they all loved it. Mummy came out with a plate of dhoklas. Quick as a flash, Govin jumped up and grabbed a piece of the plate. What is the meaning of quick as flash? To be very fast, very quickly. And what is the meaning of grab? To attack on something or eating like mad, Then he sat down again and started gobbling it. What is the meaning of gobbling? To chewing the food. So he could have second piece before his brothers could serve themselves. What Govin does? Govin took a piece from the plate and started eating it. Why? Because he wanted to eat more than his brothers. Oh, said Anand. What's happened to your nose, Govin? Govin was too busy eating to notice that his nose had suddenly become very long as Pinocchio's, maybe even longer. What happened to Govin's nose? Govin's brother Anand realized that Govin's nose is growing large. But Govin was too busy in eating that he didn't realize what is happening with his nose. Mummy came out with a big bowl of chutney. But what did Govin do? Govin pushed Tarun with his elbow so that he could be served first. He thought that the faster he was served, the quicker he could eat, and the quicker he could eat, the better chance he had of getting the second helping. What is the second helping? When you get the same food from the second time. Sometimes it happens when we like some food and we wanting it another time. Same. So what happened? Govin just took the chutney from his mother before he don't want to wait to be served. So he took it and he pushed his brother Tarun with his elbow. So he will get served first. He thought he will eat it all first, so there will be a chance to get it for the second time. Now, you must not do that, Govin, said Mummy in a stern voice, but Govin paid no attention to her. What is the meaning of stern? On a serious note, in a serious voice. Okay? His mother warned him that he shouldn't do that, all these things, but he didn't pay any attention. Tarun did not worry about Govin pushing him. He was really worried about what was happening to Govin's nose, to Govin's skin. It had turned bright green. Govin, he exclaimed. Now, Tarun was very kind and very good to his brother. For that, he was not worried about Govin pushing him. He was just worried about Govin's skin, which was turning which was turning bright green. He exclaimed to Govind that what is happening to your skin. However, Govind had no time to listen to what Tarun had to say. He was too busy waving his plate in front of Mummy's face to make sure that he got more soft, fluffy and piping toast hot doklas than anyone else. The greediness of food of hot doklas and khandvis made Govind totally blind. He was not noticing anything. He didn't pay any attention to his body, what was happening to his face, what was happening to his nose. He was just busy in eating. The brothers then picked up a dokla each. It was now time for the chutney to be served. Govind took 2 spoons of chutney instead of 1, even though nobody else had taken any. Govind, look at your ears. They had become huge, said Vicky. One of his brother Vicky noticed that when they all took the chutney and Govind took 2 spoons of, even no one had taken any. And then Vicky realized that Govind's ears is growing huge, large. Of course, Govind couldn't see his own ear. In any case, he was too busy eating to listen to his brother. Now, this time also he didn't pay any attention on himself, and he was keep eating. He was busy in eating all the time. Just then, Govind realized that something was missing. What is the meaning of realized? When you notice something. We forgot to get the khandvis, he cried. He jumped up and ran to the kitchen so he could eat a few before he brought the plate out for the rest of the family. Now he was getting more and more greedy that time. He wanted more food. He wanted more food that time. What he had done, he just jumped and ran to the kitchen to grab more khandvis before anyone could get the first one. Govind said his brothers together, "You have got a tail." And so he had. In fact, Govind was not Govind Gulati any longer. He was looking like a strange green creature with a snout. What is the meaning of snout? A loud sound made by breathing in and out. Air in and out by the nose. Now, what happened to Govind? Govind totally turned into a green creature. Now he was not Govind Gulati anymore. Govind could not talk anymore. He tried very hard, but the only sound he could make was a weak snort. What is the meaning of snort? A loud noise which makes sound by breathing. A sad snort which sounded as if he knew he had been far too greedy that morning. He was now awfully sorry. Awfully means very or extremely. Now he was not able to talk anything. He was trying very hard to talk, but he could not. Only he was making a sound which was a snort, and now he realized that he was too greedy that morning. He would not have turned into this strange creature had he not been so greedy. If only he could become himself again, thought Govind, he would certainly not be selfish anymore. What is the meaning of certainly? Surely or definitely. Now he was thinking how could he make himself again as Govind Gulati. So he was thinking that he couldn't be selfish anymore, then he would be the Govind Gulati again. Mummy then brought the gulab jamuns and vanilla ice cream left over from the party the day before. There were 3 gulab jamuns left in the bowl. Govind requested each of his brothers to take one. Within seconds, his tail disappeared. What happened? When Mummy came with the gulab jamuns and the vanilla ice cream which was left over from the last night party, Govind served the gulab jamun first to his brothers. Each of his brothers took one gulab jamuns. As soon as he had done this, what happened? His tail just disappeared. When it was time to serve the ice cream, he first served to the others before taking a spoonful. As soon as he did this, his ears went back to normal. What happened next? When he served ice cream to everyone, and hardly he had taken only one spoon. So what happened? His ears turned back to the normal. Now, there was a little ice cream still left. Though Govind really wanted to eat it, he offered it to the mummy instead. At that very moment, his nose shrunk back to its usual size. What is the meaning of shrunk? Become smaller in size. And what is the meaning of usual? Normal. What happened when the little ice cream was left there? Govind wanted to eat it very much, but what he did? He served that ice cream to his mother. As soon as he had done that, what happened? His nose came back to its normal shape. However, Govind still had a green face. How could he do something else that was not selfish and greedy? Now, Govind was continuing thinking to do something which will not make him greedy and selfish, to become normal Govind Gulali. When lunch was over, Govind ran to the kitchen to help mummy wash the dishes that seemed to do the job. Within seconds, the green color on his face disappeared and he was a normal boy once more. What happened? When they all had done with the lunch, Govind ran to the kitchen and helped his mother to clean the dishes. Then what happened? His skin color got normal and the green color on his face disappeared. Now he is a normal boy. He became normal Gautam Gulati again, you can say. Govind ran to the mirror. He was so happy to see that he looked like himself once again. Govind shook his head and promised himself never to be greedy and selfish again. So, this is the moral of the story, that we shouldn't be greedy. Yes, as Govind promised himself, we all should promise ourselves that we should not be greedy any time or for anything, because greedy makes us unsatisfied. How much we want, we get more and more money, whether it is money, food or anything, we want it more and more. Greedy makes us selfish as well. Because when we become greedy, we never think about any other person. Okay? So don't be greedy, be helpful, be genuine, share your things with your siblings and with your parents. Okay? Now just come to the exercise which is given on page number 36. Pick the correct option to complete the sentences. Number 1. Govind's brother were far less intelligent than him, greedy than him, honest than him. B is the correct answer, greedy than him. Okay? Number 2, the boys loved the food cooked by their mother. Why? There was plenty of it. Number B, they had not eaten anything since morning. Number C, it was delicious. Answer number C is the correct one. It was delicious. Number 3, question number 3 is Govind's mother spoke in a stern voice because number A, he jumped onto the table. Number 2, his nose was growing longer. Number C, he pushed Tarun with his elbow. Answer number C is the correct. He pushed Tarun with his elbow. Number 4, Tarun was worried because number A, Govind was grabbing all the food. Number 2, Govind's face had turned green. His brother was crying. Number 2 is the right answer. Number B, Govind's face had turned green. Number 5, Govind's tail disappeared because number A, he offered his brothers the 3 gulab jamuns. Number B, he cut it off. Number C, he helped the mummy wash the dishes. Yes, number A is the correct answer. He offered his brothers the 3 gulab jamuns. Okay? Now this is it. I hope you all will like this video. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care.